Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mid-November I went to Simon Eardley's hide in Wales. Now Simon Eardley is a wildlife photographer. He's ex-fireman, moved to Wales, got a lovely little piece of land around his house and built his own hide. I've been following him for a few years on YouTube, so decided to book the hide, went and had the day there. Fantastic hide, really nice guy. Look him up, Simon Eardley, wildlife photographer, and I managed to get one or two photos like this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am at Simon Eardley's hide down in Wales. If any of you watch Simon Eardley, a wildlife photographer, he's got a cracking setup here. So I was up at 4 this morning, set off about 5, got here about 10 to 7, and I'm here for the day. I'm hoping to get some nice jay photographs, maybe one or two woodpecker, and lots of woodland birds, that kind of thing. But there may be a chance the buzzard will come down. I've been following Simon for 2 or 3 years, I think, on YouTube. So when he built this hide, he moved to Wales and built this hide. I decided I wanted to come and have a go at it and to meet Simon and say hello. So that's what I did. I booked myself for the day with some tuition from Simon, because obviously he's far more experienced than me. So, and here I am. So I'll try and get some footage. I'll try and get some nice images. And I'll speak to you soon. Hey, behave yourself. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. We've just had the woodpecker in. Got a bit of footage of the woodpecker over there on one of the posts. We've just had the jay in. I managed to get a couple of shots of the jay. We've got a lot of the small woodland birds do not touch, and the grey tit, blue tit, chaffinch, all mooching about at the front here. In the middle we've got blackbirds, a couple of thrushes have been down. Then further back we've got the jays, woodpeckers. So there's lots happening at the moment. So quite enjoying myself. Speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, just had 3 jays here all at once. 2 woodpeckers. Still no sign of the buzzard, although I've heard it. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm having to whisper because I'm in the hide, and obviously the open windows bar for the screen. So where's my mind? Right, my mic's on now. So I hope you can hear me. I'm not going to do all the intro again. If you didn't hear me, I'm in Wales. I'm in the hide that's been built by Simon Eardley, who is a wildlife photographer, who I've been following for a bit. I've decided to come over and spend the day here in his hide. Cracking hide. Sausage and egg sandwich with breakfast. Hey, no up with that. Anyway, lots of jays, lots of woodpeckers, lots of small woodland birds. I've even seen one or two thrushes, so things are looking good. Hey, speak to you in a bit, hey. I've been out since about 4:30 this morning, so I'm staying here till about 3, I think, then I'm off. So I'll do. Speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Just make sure this is on, or else. Right, well, we're on. Yeah, it went quiet for about half an hour, but there's birds coming in from all over the place, from all different directions. Lots of perches, lots of perches close to, lots of perches far away. And I'm trying, if I can, to get a bit of footage and some good images. But obviously we'll see that when we get home, won't we? See what it's like on the computer. I've got a couple of videos coming up that will probably come before this one. One on creating coloured bubbles in my studio, and another one from Tatton Park from the gardens. I've got this red stag deer from Tatton Park. They're coming out. That's coming out tomorrow, I think, 16th of November. And then I've got another one coming out at the end of November, I think. Anyway, if you like what I do, just click like and subscribe. Be very much appreciated. I might be able to build some more followers up. And yeah, I've still got a few more hours here. But I'll tell you what I'll do. Speak to you in a bit. BFM. Bye for now. Woodpecker's back. Hi guys. Welcome back. Still in the hide, as you can see. Lots and lots of small birds mooching about. Some too quick for me to take photographs of, but some nice ones, nuthatch and stuff. Nuthatch, chaffinch, things like that. Some goldfinches over the other side there, which I haven't photographed yet. But there's been loads of visits from the jay and from the woodpeckers, so I'm hoping I've got a bit of nice footage from them. There's a lovely cock pheasant and hen pheasant in, which I think I've got a couple of nice images of. I think it's probably about 2 o'clock now, and I'm going to be done for 3 o'clock. I've got to be done in here, so only an hour left. But I've been in here since 7 o'clock this morning, so I've had a right good stretch, and there's been no short.
Japanese down there. He's got a manky foot.
There's been no shortage of things to photograph, so I'm hoping I've got some quite decent footage of different species and some nice images. You know what I'm saying? So, listen, tell you what I'll do with you. I'll say goodbye for now. I'll see you on the next video, no doubt. But please, if you can, click like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today. I've really enjoyed being here. I'll say it once more, Simon Eardley, wildlife photographer. Go online, have a look at some of his videos, outstanding. And this is his hide over in Montgomeryshire in Wales. From Stoke-on-Trent it took me 2 hours, hour and 40 minutes to get here. And the fog was really bad and it was dark, so I had to drive extremely carefully. So yeah, not a bad run from the Midlands, and definitely worth the trip. So, hey, keep smiling. Speak to you next time. Bye for now. Well, hope you enjoyed that, guys. It was a cracking day. Really enjoyed it. Looking forward to going back again. Please click like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. And check Simon out. Top man. See you next time. Bye for now. Oh, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I don't want to do Christmas. In fact, you're probably not going to get this till January. So that's not so bad. See you now. Bye.